Okay, these are both the Airedale and the Welsh puppies. The Airedale puppies that are left. Come here. The big ones, obviously, are the Airedales. They turned 8 weeks old on Friday, and the Welshes turned 7 weeks old on Friday. So they're only a week difference. So I thought it'd be interesting to show you the difference. The Airedale puppies are Roxy and Judd's. The Welsh puppies are Sadie and Cooper's. Like I said, Welshes are 7 weeks exactly. Well, on Friday they were. And they're exactly a week apart, the Airedale and the Welsh puppies. And they're 8 weeks. Airedales are 8 weeks. So we have the female. This is a female with the pink collar, I believe. Or no, was she orange? She's the only one that's left, so only female. Come here. She's going to the Nudsons. That's her right there. So Airedale puppy, female puppy. And we got the male with the blue collar. Male Airedale. And then we have the male Airedale with the white collar. Then we have the Welshes. This is the Welsh male with the green collar. That's the Welsh male with the yellow collar. We got Welsh male with the white right there. Here's Welsh female with the orange. She's going tonight too. Welsh male with the green. I don't remember if I said him or not. There's a Welsh male with the white. Come here, guys. Come here. Okay, and here is Isabella. Here's a Welsh female with the pink. And they're all wound up. Today was their bath day. They all just had baths. So Welsh male blue, female Welsh with the pink collar, and the female Airedale right there. Male Airedale with blue collar, male Welsh blue collar, male Welsh white collar, female Welsh orange collar, male Airedale with the white. Come here. There's Isabella there. Come here. Somebody just walked by. They want to go over there. Come here. Isabella. Yeah. That's her and the female Airedale there. Come here. Hey, guys. Come here. Yeah, come here. That's right. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Come here, everybody. They're very underfoot at this stage. Come here. Hey. Come here, guys. Here's Isabella. She's just precious. She's going all the way out to California. Two of the Airedales.